sacrifice first, and then I'll delete the notification while it's sleeping. I don't know, some call it fraud, I call it love. Whatever.
Well, I'm sure it will be beautiful.
So you're gonna come, right? It'll be really fun.
I'm actually, okay, so I'm glad we get the chance to talk, because I did want to talk to you about this. I love that you and I have gotten to where we can work together and we can maybe have a shared client together and, you know, it not be so awkward. But I just feel like it's inappropriate